Today I'm really excited to make something new. We're gonna make a slip dress which is so versatile. You could wear it by itself or wear it with anything else you want.
Make a neat cut around the seam allowances. Pay extra attention when cutting around the edges. We are using a contrasting carbon for easy visibility, but you will be using the color closest to the fabric. Start sewing from the bust line with a lock stitch and finish 1 centimeter away from the fabric. We will use a loop turner to flip your strap. To attach the strap, we sandwich it in between the facing of the self fabric. Your beautiful slip dress is ready!